How to use PNC Bank Virtual Wallet feature. To use the PNC Bank Virtual Wallet feature, first of all, you simply have to understand the three account buckets. Spending. This is your primary checking account. You simply have to use it for everyday purchase. Debit transactions, ATM withdrawals, and standard online bill payments. Reserve. This is an interest-bearing checking account meant for short-term goals or upcoming bills. It also acts as your first line of defense for overdraft protection. Growth. This is your long-term savings account. It earns a higher interest rate and is designed for money you do not plan to touch frequently. So, to maximize the key financial features, you can use the money bar, calendar view, and savings engine. You can also configure the overdraft protection. If a debit card purchase or check exceeds the balance available in your spend account, the virtual wallet system will automatically pull the exact missing funds from your reserve bucket for free. If your reserve bucket is empty, the system will look to your growth bucket next to cover the transaction. You can manage this specific priority settings and alerts by navigating to the savings or services option, then head to overdraft protection inside the mobile application. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.